In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily configure the Canon IR4000 series printer. So let's start. On printer side, I'll go to the setting option, then system setting. After selecting system setting, I'll choose network setting. Then I have to select TCP/IP setting. Here I have set the appropriate IP address. In your case, it may differ. Then select subnet mask and set to 255.255.255.0. Then the gateway will be your router address. After, I have to select done option to save that setting. That's it on printer side. Now I will show you how to install printer driver on the laptop. But before that, it's personal request to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will never miss any video like this from us. I had already downloaded the necessary drivers from the Canon official website. After that, I had extracted it from the folder. Here I execute the system.exe file from that folder. I will start program. After, I accept the license agreement. Then I have select search for network printer to install. Then I have select PCL5B as shown in the video. Now the application is searching for network printer for installation. In the above listing, my Canon printer appeared, so I moved in below list so that application will install the necessary drivers for it. It will take a time. After installation, application asks for restart, so I restart my laptop to test printer. For test printer, I am going to open device and printer management. Select a Canon printer and then properties section. Then I have select print test page. Here is a test page that we print. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.